Vanila, and I have a surprise for you. As always, I've been telling you that I have a huge surprise for my fans, for my subscribers from around the world, that I would like to become a DJ. Yeah, I would like to make people happy with my music, and soon I'm going to work on a new set where I am going to do my own music and to please you with something hopefully special that you are going to like and ask every time on my channel. And the good avenues is that I will still do try and holes and poses for you, despite I will be a DJ too. So here is my Pioneer, and this is a part of my device that I've got at home. I've got two of these, but the third piece, the mixer, is about to arrive. Mama at me is about to arrive, and when it will arrive I'm going to test it out and create my own music, so I hope you're going to enjoy me as a DJ. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Love you all, and hopefully you will like me and accept me as a DJ too.